Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the app now. Open Settings and go to Apps or App Info so you're looking at the right entry. Once found, confirm it shows as force stopped. This matters because Android prevents background launches. Make sure you have any required credentials at hand and disable battery optimization temporarily for this app if it's active. Now tap the app entry so we can run the direct actions that will let the app restart reliably and predictably. You should try to open the app directly from Settings using the Open button. This bypasses launcher restrictions. If Open is disabled, clear cache first. That removes transient issues. Then force stop and try tapping the icon from your home screen. Make sure permissions required for startup are granted and allow background activity or auto start if present. Once done, watch for startup dialogues and accept any prompts so the app can register services and push notifications correctly. If the app still won't start, reboot the device to reset system services. This often clears restrictive states. You can also uninstall updates or reinstall the app to restore a clean state. For advanced users, use ADB to launch the app activity directly, which confirms whether the system blocks auto start. Finally, clear app data as a last resort. Remember, this removes local settings. Troubleshooting tip: if crashes continue, check Logcat or contact support with the exact error and app version so they can help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.